investigation taking place. A breaking update coming in where Republic has accepted the remand copy of the drug peddlers in the application, where there has been a massive disclosure on the Bollywood drug cartel. According to the NCB sources, big names from the Bollywood are involved, and as far as Zaid, the drug peddler, is concerned, who has been granted a 7-day custody till the 9th of September by the court. And the NCB in the remand copy mentions that it is investigating the drug angle in Sushant's case, and therefore it is highly substantive and it needs to be investigated thoroughly as to uproot the drug citadel in Mumbai, especially in Bollywood. We have Piyush with us, going across to him on the remand copy that has been accessed. So Piyush, when it comes to the certain recoveries, especially in cash, according to the raids that had taken place, have been recovered from Zaid, it involves more names. This is just the beginning as the investigation continues. Tell us more, what's there in the remand copy?
Well, absolutely. In its remand copy, NCB has mentioned about the fact that they need to investigate and dig deeper into this entire drug nexus which has now come out. And moreover, it is also mentioned that, after the kind of linkages those are found in Sushant Singh Rajput case, now greater nexus needs to be investigated, which somewhere indicates about the fact that NCB is now looking forward to investigate the names. Those are now coming in this very case, because not only Shouvik or Miranda, Sammy Miranda's name has come out, but many other people are also being linked with this, because Riya Chakrabarti, which since beginning was pushing the theory of Sushant Singh Rajput taking drug, has now been busted, because Shouvik was in touch with drug peddlers, not Sushant Singh Rajput. Shouvik and Miranda were there. So NCB wants to investigate the whole case. Latest what we are breaking is that these two drug peddlers who were produced before the Kila court have now reached here at NCB office. They are now inside the NCB office. They are being grilled by NCB, and more details are being ascertained from them. We also know that more and more raids were conducted in the last 2 days, out of which a few people were detained and then arrested by NCB. And total number of arrests, what we are learning is that 3 people have been arrested in this entire case, and further investigation in this very case will continue. But the latest remand copy which we have accessed tells us that NCB wants to investigate the drug angle which has now emerged in Sushant Singh Rajput case, and moreover the Bollywood angle is also being investigated.
So that is mentioned in the remand copy that has been accessed by Republic, where it goes on to say that the person who has been arrested and been taken into custody, Zaid, has revealed certain names that would lead to big disclosures, and his custody all the same becomes more important to get to the bottom of the drug cartel, especially in Bollywood. That is being mentioned in the remand copy by the NCB, and the court has granted 7-day custody to the NCB to question Zaid. We'll be getting more updates from Mumbai on the same. Piyush, thank you very much for the moment.